an 8K 64MP video camera that fits in your hand. This Carlhip camcorder makes some pretty bold claims, promising professional-grade footage for your YouTube channel or vlogs. But does it truly deliver on that incredible resolution and feature set? Right out of the box, the Carlhip 8K 64MP camcorder feels like a versatile tool. It boasts a 3-inch IPS touchscreen that flips, which is an absolute must for any serious vlogger wanting to frame themselves perfectly. The headline feature, of course, is the video quality: HD 8K at 15 frames per second, 6K at 30 FPS, and a very usable 4K at a smooth 60 FPS. While 8K at 15 FPS might be more for static shots or specific cinematic effects, the 4K 60 FPS option is where this camera really shines for everyday content creation, offering crisp, fluid motion. And for stills, a massive 64MP image resolution means you can capture incredibly detailed photos. The 18x digital zoom is there for those distant shots, though as with any digital zoom, one should manage expectations regarding absolute clarity at maximum reach. Connectivity is a huge plus here. With Wi-Fi, you can link it to your phone or tablet using the HelloCam app, turning your device into a remote monitor and controller. This is incredibly handy for solo shoots. Even better, the upgraded 2.4G remote control lets you operate the camera from up to 50 feet away, giving you freedom to move around your set. It's also a smart move that this camcorder doubles as a webcam. Just plug it into your computer via USB, switch to PC cam mode, and you're ready for video calls or live streaming on platforms like YouTube or Twitch, compatible with both Windows and Mac. And if you want to share your masterpieces on a bigger screen, an HDMI output is available. For those low-light situations, the infrared night vision is a neat trick, capturing clear black and white footage when ambient light is scarce. Plus, a built-in fill light ensures your subjects are well lit even in challenging conditions. This camera is packed with features: time-lapse, motion detection, various filters, built-in noise reduction, and anti-shake technology to keep your footage steady. The ability to record while charging is also a lifesaver for longer sessions. With a 32GB SD card included and support for up to 256GB, along with 2 batteries, you're pretty much ready to start creating right away. Overall, the Carlhip 8K 64MP camcorder presents itself as a highly versatile and feature-rich option for aspiring YouTubers, vloggers, or anyone looking to step up their video game without breaking the bank. It offers a compelling package of high-resolution, smart connectivity, and practical features that make content creation accessible and enjoyable.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.